Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can highlight and contour your face. So yeah, if this is something that interests you, then please keep on watching, and also if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. But guys, before moving on to the video, I'm going to give a little review on the contour stick that I'm going to use today. But in case if any of you guys are only interested in knowing how to apply contour on your face, then you can skip this part of this video. So guys, this is the Sugar Face Forward Contour Stick that I'm going to review today. It comes in a cardboard packaging as you can see in this video, and this stick is fully vegan. This means that none of the sugar cosmetic or product or ingredient is tested on animals. This contour stick is available in two shades and my shade is 01 Fawn First. This stick is made in Korea and the price of this product is $7.99, in which you get 9 gram of product. When you open the cardboard packaging, you will get a matte black cylindrical stick, and after twisting the stick, you'll get all of your product. So guys, first step is to apply foundation. Here I'm applying Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick on my face and blending it in with my beauty blender. This foundation is very lightweight, creamy and beyond easy to blend. It's a long wearing formula and offers coverage that not just looks but also feels like second skin. Second step is to apply concealer. Here I am applying Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 03 Light Moine and again blending it in with my beauty blender. Concealer is similar to foundation except it's generally thicker and hides dark circles, age spot, blemishes and all imperfections of the skin. You should always apply concealer on the top of your foundation so that it doesn't smudge. Make sure you choose concealer 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Third step is to apply contour on the face, but before we get into ins and out of how to contour, let's start with the basic. First, what exactly is contouring? Basically, contouring is opposite of highlighting. While highlighting adds light to the certain areas of your face, contouring involves darkening areas you want to define more. Also guys, before buying and applying contour on your face, make sure you know your skin type better. Like I know I have dry skin, that is why I prefer cream contour. People who have oily skin must use powder contour. This kind of information is very important before applying contour on your face. The basic places for contouring includes hollows of your cheeks, sides of your temples, the hairline, the sides of the nose and the area under your jawline. For precise work, you can also use flat shader brush for application of contour onto your nose, and for blending, you can use any concealer brush. After applying product to your target areas, use a brush or a beauty blender to blend the product into skin until it blends out evenly, and make sure you blend the product in upward direction, otherwise your face may look muddy. And guys, when all the blending is done, apply some powder contour over your cream contour so that your makeup won't easily wipe off, and you can also set your concealer with some translucent powder or compact powder. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, tata.